Dylan, tell us what you're playing.
I'm playing dog fetch. I'm playing dog food fetch.
So you're not using a ball for fetch?
Yeah, I'm using a bunch of dog food.
Whoa, she seems to be going crazy over it.
Yes.
Doesn't she realize she could just eat the food that's on the floor over here? Oh, well, she took some.
Okay.
Oh, is she gonna go after it?
Come on. Throw. Look.
She's not so sure anymore. What are you gonna do, Lucky? Oh no, Dylan! I just realized you made a huge mess everywhere.
No. Okay. And I'll just clean it up.
By throwing it at her?
No. Look, I'm gonna place them down for her. Look, see, right?
Now it's a trail of dog food.
Mm-hmm. Ta-da! It's your dog food, Lucky. Huh? Here. Mmm. So delicious,
What does she think about this?
Using a dog feeder. Here, try it.
It's the new messy dog game. Wait, that's not food. Stop feeding her non-food items.
I'm trying to feed her dog food.
That looked like a leaf or something you had.
Yum. There. She ate it.
Oh wow, this is a bit messy.
Come
Hopefully
on.
she'll eat this.
Come on. Just one piece. Please. It's good.